High Mountain Trader here. Want to just do a quick recap of today's trades. Nothing exciting, but we did finish up about $900. I'm super stoked about that. Especially I didn't have a great start to the morning. I had to drive down to the Bay Area last night, and I got there late. And I overslept a little bit today. I wasn't sure if I was even going to trade today. I had some other things to take care of, and I kind of just jumped on a little bit late, and seeing that I missed kind of like this big move up, and I was a little frustrated. But so I jumped into a quick short here. I didn't actually record this, but I was stopping and starting the recording, and just didn't quite catch it. But it wasn't nothing big. I shorted here and I covered here. You can see that right there. Actually, I'm sorry, I shorted here and I covered here. I just thought, what am I doing? I see a lot better area up here to short off of. And when we got up to this line here, I took a starter on here, and I was going to add right here to kind of get an average up in here for just a quick pullback against the trend. I know the trend is up. I should have been buying the dip, but I was able to, after a little small loss here, have a decent win here and made $127. And that's the only trade I took on NQ. I had one other trade today on the ES, which I was able to record. I'll play that for you real quick here. So here's the second trade. This is the last trade I took today. Unfortunately, it's the last trade I took today. Once the trade was over, I took a nap and woke up and seen that the market kind of went crazy. And I always hate when I miss that volatility. My style of trading is all about volatility and movement and volume. But if you can see here, we were kind of in this range here between this line and this line, going up and down. We failed twice at that line, and I didn't see this move here. This double top would have been a perfect entry with my, the way I trade. Of course, I probably would have just scalped it back here to the red to green. But when I seen this third attempt, didn't even make it back up there, and it failed and went back red. I'm looking to get in short here for a scalp to this area, potentially a little bit lower, just kind of depending on how it goes. So let's just kind of play this here. It's a pretty quick trade, nothing crazy. As soon as I seen that candle, turning red after the price action in this area, I was pretty confident that we were going to get some continuation to the downside. And I just jumped right in with 5 contracts, kind of putting myself in an awkward position, because if this bounced back up here before it went down, I'd have to quickly decide, do I want to hold this? And I can't add at that point going up, really. I don't want 10 contracts in this spot. But 5 I thought was a good size position. And I was pretty confident. I think it's super high probability, after it failed a few times here and went back green, that we're going to get some momentum to the downside. And of course, we ended up dropping really hard. But I'm just looking to scalp it, in between, down to my next line and get out and put some money in my pocket. And so that's what I did. It was a pretty decent trade. I feel like it's a very high probability, and I like it. It was just a clean, smooth, easy trade on a day where I wasn't really planning on trading. I had some other things going on, and I woke up late, so I'm really happy with the results. I can't complain. Again, when I came back, when I woke up from a nap, and checked back with what the market was doing, and seeing that it had just dropped all the way down and ripped all the way back. So definitely a lot of opportunities to make money in there, and I kind of missed out on that, but that's all right. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's Friday. We have quadruple witching, and the market might have some volatility in the morning, and then it should probably quiet down throughout the rest of the day. So we'll just see how that goes. Again, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be trading tomorrow. But that's it right there, guys. It's just a quick trade. Again, I know a lot of you are thinking, man, why aren't you holding this or holding a piece? But I'm up $920 in a few minutes, and I have to be happy with that. This could hit this line and bounce up, or this candle could pull all the way back up. And of course it did. It dumped, and in hindsight, I would have liked to have held it, but it's just a scalp. So I took the money and put it in my pocket. You can see the account setting at $14,315 right now. I'm super stoked about that. And it's going to take a little bit easy tomorrow. If I do trade, it'll probably just be, for an hour or so, 30 minutes or so. and we'll see how it goes. I hope everybody had a good day today, and we will see you soon.